Hello friends, welcome to karmatech. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can install Steam application in your Mac. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now to install any particular application in Mac, we usually go to App Store and we search for that app. But the problem with Steam application is it is not available on App Store. Now you will find an app named Steam Link, but it is not the actual application which we are looking for. Now you can use Steam Link application to play your Steam games across all your computers. So you can only use it to link your devices, but you cannot use it to play games. So how can you download Steam application? So for that, all you need to do is you need to open any particular browser in your Mac and search for Steam. Now select this link which says welcome to Steam. If you don't know what is Steam application used for or what is Steam, then let me tell you that it is a digital distribution service which allows user to purchase, download and play video games in your Mac. You can also download free games over here. So you can just simply go to free to play section. But before that, we need to install Steam application. So once you are on a home page, select install Steam option over here. And on the next page, you will get an option of install Steam. So currently you can see there is an Apple logo. So this is for Mac. Tap on install Steam option, give the permission, and it will start downloading Steam app. Now once the file is downloaded, you can just simply go to that particular folder where the file is saved. In my case, the file is in downloads. So this is the DMG file. Double tap on it to open it and click and drag this to application. Now once it is done, close this and open apps if you have installed macOS 26. If you are using previous Mac OS version, then you will find Launchpad option over here. So you can open Launchpad and search for Steam. So this is the Steam application which we have installed just now. So again, double tap or double click to open it, give the permission, and now you can see it is downloading some of the updates. So we have to wait for it. Now once the installation is complete, you get a sign-in page like this. You can enter the account details if you have a Steam account and you can complete the login process. If you don't have a Steam account, then you can create an account for free. So I'll just enter the credentials and complete the login process. Once the login is complete, you can check out all the games over here. You have categories option as well. And if you go down, you get free to play option. So you can select that and you can download games which are available for free and you can then start playing it. So yeah, this is how simple it is to install Steam in Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.